Christmas time, and as you must be knowing, festivals are all about sweets and lights. So here we have the baby duck who is really excited about Christmas, and it has invited all its friends to its home on Christmas. So its mother prepared a delicious cake for the Christmas party. But this is what the baby duck had to say. Just one big cake? But many of my friends will come. Mommy, can you bake two more cakes? So it thought that just one cake would not be enough for all its friends. So it requested her mother to bake two more cakes. And the mother happily agreed to it. And she did make two more cakes. So here, this was the one cake which the mother had initially made, and these are two more cakes which she had made on request of the baby duck. So now, first there was one cake, then the mother duck made two more cakes. So how many cakes are there now in total? So can you tell me how many cakes are there? Let's see. So let's first bring them all together. So this cake was prepared at first, then she made this and this. And let's count how many are there now. So now we have 1, 2, 3. So in total, we have 3 cakes now, right? So the baby duck has 3 cakes now in total. So what are we doing here? Well, we are putting together the cakes. The cake made initially and the cakes made later on. So we are putting them together to see that finally we have 3 cakes. So this putting together things or combining things is a very, very, very important concept of mathematics. This is called addition, right? So by putting together things, we mean we are adding things. So we are adding one cake to two cakes to get 3 cakes. So 2 cakes being added or put together with one cake give us 3 cakes, right? But what are these symbols here? Did you notice these symbols? So this symbol here is the symbol for addition, right? This is the symbol for addition. The plus symbol, the symbol for addition. And this is the equal to symbol. So how do we read this? One cake added to 2 cakes is equal to 3 cakes. So when we are putting together 2 things or we are adding 2 things, we use this symbol, and before the result we use this symbol, which is the equal to symbol. Now what is this result called? The answer which I got by adding. What is this called? This is called the sum, right? So 3 cakes is the sum. This is the sum of this addition. So 1 cake added to 2 cakes equals 3 cakes. Now the baby duck's friends got some more sweets and gifts for the baby duck. So one of the friends got 2 chocolate ice creams and 3 strawberry ice creams. Yummy. So how many ice creams do they have now in all? Let's count. So 1 chocolate ice cream, another chocolate ice cream, And then from 3 strawberry, we have 1, 2, and 3. So there are 2 chocolate and 3 strawberry ice creams. So let us see if we add 2 ice creams to 3 ice creams, how many do we get? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 5 ice creams. We get 5 ice creams. And what do we have here? What do we write before the result of this addition? An equal to sign. And this is called the sum of the addition. So 5 ice creams is the sum. That is, when we add 2 ice creams and 3 ice creams, we get 5 ice creams as the sum. Now another friend of the baby duck got 5 red candies and 3 green candies for duck. So how many candies does the duck have in all? Let's see. So let's bring them one by one. 1 red candy, second red candy, third red candy, fourth red candy, and fifth red candy. Now I need to put together the red candies and the green candies. So I've already taken the red candies there. I need to take the green candies to that side and count them all by putting them together. So let me take the green candies one by one. 1, 2, and 3. So how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 candies, right? So when we add 5 candies and 3 candies, we get 8 candies. But is something missing over here? Yes, the symbols. So what are we adding? What are the 2 things which we are adding? We are adding 5 candies and 3 candies. So we need to put this addition sign in between them, and we need to put the equal to sign before the result, which is the sum. So this 8 is the sum of this addition. Now another friend of the baby duck got 7 cookies for her. But there was one friend who got nothing, right? So what do we get when we add these 7 cookies to nothing or no cookies? Let's see. So let me take these 7 cookies to this side. And nothing means no cookies. So I have no cookies to take to that side, right? There are no cookies. So let me count these. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once again 7 cookies. So when we add 7 cookies to 0 cookies, we get 7, which is very obvious, right? If you have 7 of something and I give you nothing, you will have 7 of that thing. So 7 plus 0 gives 7. Now there are 6 stars, right? So one of the friends got these beautiful stars for decorating the Christmas tree. There are 6 stars, which are blue stars, and there are 6 red stars. So how many stars do we have in all for decorating the Christmas tree? Let's count. Firstly, we need to put them all together, which is what adding is or addition is. So let's put them all together. So let's take these 6 stars to this side, and then the 6 red stars to this side, and then let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 stars now. So 6 stars added or put together with 6 stars give us 12 stars. And don't forget the symbols. So this addition symbol between the things we are adding and the equal to symbol before the result. So 6 stars plus 6 stars give us 12 stars. This is the sum. There are some other ducks which have got these 8 cars for the baby duck and also these 7 dolls. So how many gifts does the baby duck have in total? Let's count. So let's put these 8 cars together along with these 7 dolls and let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 gifts. So 8 cars plus 7 dolls gives 15 gifts. So 8 plus 7 gives us 15. So we have seen how to add things or how to put together things. So when you need to add two numbers, then you need to put them together and count them to find the answer, which we call as the sum of addition. So do remember it and do practice it very well. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.